Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Today we are going to study about heat and the topic is temperature and its measurement. So first let us see what the heat is. Heat is a form of energy that makes us to feel hot or cold. That means it is a form of energy to what we cannot see. By observing we cannot identify that at a place there is heat is here or here no heat is there. We can just feel it. If we feel hot, if we feel more temperature, then we feel heat is there, and if we feel cold, so that is heat is less or not there. So it can be only felt. It is measured in joule. So unit of heat is joule and it is represented as the capital letter J. The temperature, what I talk about, that if a temperature is more, then we call heat is there. So heat and temperature are the relative terms. So the temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place. That means if the object is too hot, then we call its temperature is more, and if the object is cold, so we call its temperature is less. The temperature is measured on different scale. The scales of temperature are Celsius to what we call as degree Celsius. Another scale is Fahrenheit. The unit used as degree Fahrenheit. And the third one is Kelvin, which is the SI unit of temperature. These temperature scales have relation in them. That means if we have temperature in one scale, that is if we have in Celsius, so we can convert it into Fahrenheit and vice versa. So these are the relation. The first one is shown as C, that means the temperature given in degrees Celsius, and F shown here, that means the temperature given in Fahrenheit. When we keep the value of the temperature given in Fahrenheit in this relation, then we get the scale of temperature converted in degree Celsius. In this one, when we keep the value of C, that is the temperature given in Celsius, and when we simplify it, then we get the temperature converted into Fahrenheit. And the relation between Celsius and Kelvin is, then when the temperature given in degree Celsius is added with the number 273, then we get the converted temperature with the scale Kelvin. The device which is used to measure temperature is called as thermometer. You may have seen thermometer in your house also. Whenever your mother feels like that you have fever, if your body temperature seems to be more than normal, then your mother immediately puts thermometer in your mouth or at your underarm to measure your body temperature. So that device is thermometer. Thermometer is of three types. That is, first one, the clinical thermometer that we use at our home, and doctors also use at clinic to measure the temperature of human body. So that clinical thermometer is used to measure human body temperature, and it is also called as doctor's thermometer. The second one is the laboratory thermometer. By the name, as it's clear that the thermometer which is used in laboratory to measure temperature of objects is called as laboratory thermometer. And the third one is maximum minimum thermometer, which is used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of a place. Now let us see these thermometers type in detail. First, you can see here the clinical thermometer. It is made up of a glass tube. At its one end, we have a bulb in which mercury is filled. Inside this glass tube, a very thin tube at the center you can see, which is called as capillary tube. The width of this tube is that much that only a single hair can insert in it. that much thin the tube is, known as capillary tube. And then at the beginning part of this capillary tube, you can see a little bend here. That bend is called as kink. Clinical thermometer is used to take human body temperature. For this, we either keep it in our mouth or we keep it at our underarm. So to take its reading, we need to place its position. By changing the position of the thermometer, the mercury level can be disturbed. So we may have the wrong reading. To prevent this error only, the kink is there in the clinical thermometer. This kink prevent the backflow of mercury into the bulb. So once when the mercury get the temperature, then it expand and its level rises in the capillary tube. And it reaches to the mark which is exactly the temperature of the body. Then when we move it from its position, then because of this kink present in this thermometer, it does not come back to the bulb. It remains at the same place only where it has rise in the beginning. Then we can easily get the reading of it. And then to bring the mercury in the bulb back, we need to give it a jerk. Then after giving a jerk, the mercury comes back into the bulb. So this is the clinical thermometer. On this, the temperature range is 35 degrees Celsius up to 42 degrees Celsius. And the 37 degrees Celsius is shown highlighted here with the red color because this is the normal temperature of human body. If it goes more than this, then we call it a condition of fever. The next one thermometer is the laboratory thermometer. You can see here, mostly in this, alcohol is used in place of mercury because alcohol is cheaper than the mercury. It is not toxic also, and then it gave a wide range of temperature. It can be measured from -10 up to 110 degrees Celsius. An object's temperature can be this much more also. So we need a separate thermometer for this, which is called as a laboratory thermometer. In this, when measuring temperature, we need to fix this thermometer like the bulb should be in contact with the object, and then we can see the sudden rise and fall in the temperature. So it should not be moved as it does not have the kink. So we cannot use this thermometer to take human body temperature. In this, 0 degrees Celsius shows the melting point of ice and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. The next one thermometer is maximum minimum thermometer. As I told you that this thermometer is used to measure the maximum and the minimum atmospheric temperature of the day. It is commonly used whenever a simple way is needed to measure the extreme of the temperature of a location. You may have heard this word in the weather telecast in the news that today's maximum temperature was this much and minimum was this much. Means that maximum temperature, that means at that day the temperature did not rise more than this. This is the maximum. So this one thermometer is used for this purpose. So here we have seen the heat and temperature, the scale to measure temperature, and the types of thermometer. Hope the topic is clear to you all. Don't forget to press the like button. Also subscribe our channel Padhai Ke Funde and press the bell icon. And please leave your precious comments in the comment box and share it as much you can. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.